Good morning, guys. It is a beautiful Sunday morning, and we are currently out on our way to Meadowlark Brewery for another car show. This is going to be the last one for me for this summer before I put the car away, put it up on blocks, put it under wraps, throw away the keys for at least 6 months. You know, let's not get too much of a hurry to break it out back on the road. But yeah, we're headed to Meadowlark Brewery, and it's going to be a pretty big event. At least I'm going to hope so. This is the first one that they're going to have down there at the brewery, so let's go there and check it out. All right, so we're just about ready to pull into Meadowlark Brewery. As soon as we get past, or actually it's right before Costco here. So, and we're going to see how this goes, see if anybody's started turning up yet. The actual event doesn't start till 12:30, and it's just about going on 11. But I thought I would help out, get the event set up. I'm in partnership with the Billings Cars and Coffee with Shawn Walker. He's doing a great job of getting these car shows set up and everything. So let's kind of pull in here and see what's going on. Got a couple of the lowriders here from the Rollers Only Club, and I think people are just starting to show up here, so let's see how this goes. That's a nice ride too. When this thing came rolling in, it was shaking the block. Like there was windows vibrating.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, it's got a big old bottle of go-go juice in the back. That is a big bottle. Nice, nice javelin. A lot of votes in for that one. But there's one car I want to scoot over and go check out. I think my nice little Miata that was done up pretty nice. Yep. I think the mayor's. Yeah, I think the mayor's going to appreciate this one. You know, I don't know, Mayor. Any ideas? It's one of those cars you can just keep in your garage and stare at for quite a while. You know? I mean, because the shiny blue paint and all.
Sure slow. You can step in it.
Oh, she's got her own beer mug to go with it. That's my. This is a 47 Mercury. So last weekend's car show at the Carlton Depot, there was another 47 Mercury, the same teal color, except oh no, it wasn't a Mercury, it was a Buick Roadster that won. But that pair up just nicely with this one. Yeah, I wonder if this is all original or if it's like a kit car. Yeah, 70 Superbird. Beautiful.
Big car.
That is a big car, but that's a stunning car. I mean, that paint on there is nice.
As long as a Cadillac.
Yeah. Now this guy just went nuts on his truck. He's telling me that these rims alone are 10,000 just for the rims. I can't even bend down low enough to get a view of the whole rim. I might be able to get a better view of this one here. That's those are definitely shin grinders for sure.
Yeah.
Purple haze. How's it going? Jeez, that is nuts.
Scroll work.
Yeah, there's a ton of scroll work. Jeff Spicer, eat your heart out. That steering wheel. Yeah, that is crazy. This is an '08 Shelby GT 500. Yep. I was talking with the owner of it earlier, and so that's a totally different new supercharger and pulleys, and he's done all the internal work and all the rear, rear end upgrades and whatnot. And he says it's pumping out about 750 horsepower. And
Shelby did it.
yeah, 750 of gross you're getting horsepower. He's got some dyno slips there, and he had it documented at Shelby.
That's cool.
It's Peru's.
A little extra money there.
Yeah. It's quite a turnout for the first annual uh, car show here at the Meadowlark Brewery. Nice F100, 292. Forty Willies. Is this what you go to the Costco in to get your groceries? Sometimes. Oh, that's true. That's true. 62 Impala. I've seen this one around quite a bit. Yeah, 62. Man, that is a long walk from bumper to bumper.
Yeah.
I mean, kind of feels like my drag strip in the garage. Yeah, yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, by the time you walk from the bumper to the front of the car, you're tired.
Yeah.
You know. Here we go. I think this guy is part of the 4x4 club.
Is he?
No, I don't know. 1925 Model T. I think I got some of those parts hanging on my wall in the garage, but not all of it. Definitely the windshield. And I need to pick up a set of these to go on the wall.
Yeah.
Those kerosene? Yeah, those are kerosene.
Should have a little cup in there.
Yeah, a little cup right there.
Yeah. The wick.
Yeah. You know, I don't know how you turn your brights on, but you know,
That's pretty cool.
that's got to be pretty cool.
Got a little boot for the winder up.
Oh, really? I didn't know about such thing. Got a little boot for the old wrist breaker.
That's cool.
It is. Check out the bed of this beast.
Whose rig this is?
Cruise around the old front row here. So this is your flathead VA, right? And I seen you out there in the Laurel.
Yeah, you were judging.
Yeah, I was judging, and it was like it was close, like like a flip of a coin between this one here and the other classic one, the Buick Roadmaster.
Oh,
I think
yeah.
it was like, gosh, dang it! But more people voted for the Buick Roadmaster, so I'm like, gotta go with that one.
Yeah. You judging today again?
No, I haven't been asked to. I haven't been asked to.
Too
So,
much stress on that.
well, I was here this morning about 10:30ish, just helping set up, helping, direct traffic and stuff like that.
Yeah, when I pulled in, you told me leave the middle open for
Well,
customers. And then
yeah. Well,
all
then
overflow.
and then 20 minutes later, it was just park where you want. But yeah, you got a good spot anyhow. So
Yeah, in the shade.
in the shade, yep.
Yeah.
Is there anything you can tell me about this guy? I mean, other than the patina, you pretty much. I think you just shined it up. You didn't clear coat it or nothing like
Nope,
that.
just cut and buff, waxed it,
Wow.
and then a spray wax every year.
Yeah.
So yeah. Other than that, original. All but the bed.
Yeah, I was about to say the original Indian motorcycle.
Expensive sign that was real.
That's right. That's cool though. I mean, it goes with the truck. This truck is pretty tight. So, like the guy said, he just cut and buffed it. He didn't repaint it. He didn't try to. Um, he didn't try to. Some people will scratch it up and and sandblasted to create a patinaed look. But this guy did it right. He just cut and buffed, gets a little spray wax every once in a while, and that's it.
Oh, I know, huh? Yup.
And the motor in there is all original as much as it can be.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's gonna run a lot of speed parts and stuff. But
What's it do in the quarter mile?
I don't know. I don't know what it would. A lot of speed parts. They run hot.
Yeah.
So I haven't done anything like that. So.
Right. So the
Ammo box.
the ammo box.
Yep. My buddy painted it. Yep. Braxton Brown. He pinstriped the whole pickup and then did the artwork on the ammo box.
That is cool.
And then it's getting full custom interior this winter.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Full leather.
Did you live in the hood, or was it already like that?
No, it was.
It was already like that.
SoCal Speed Shop. Lenny, SoCal Speed Shop punched it.
Honestly, probably one of my favorite trucks here. You know, just because the originality of it. That is just so cool. Kind of I don't want to say rat rodish, but you know, the guy took, natural beauty is what I call it.
This ticket's been everywhere.
Yeah.
LA Roadster Show. It's been Vegas.
Well, that's right. You
Rat
told
City
me you
Broncos
kind of
5 times. It's been Bonneville.
you've trailered it.
No, I've driven it to Vegas 5 times.
Really?
LA Roadster Show, I drove it to. I drove it to Lone Star Nationals in Austin, Texas once from Billings. So yeah.
It's about right.
That'd be
Yep.
cool, but hot ride.
Cool, but hot.
They need to be driven.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah. Speaking of driven, I'd like to take this one first, man.
Yeah.
I mean, 34 Nash, folks, is what we're looking at here. Is this your Nash? That's beautiful.
It's a 34.
I don't think I've seen a 34 yet.
There supposedly only 9 were made with the rumble seat.
Oh, wow. So you got a rare Nash.
Yeah, and the Nash said there was only 2 they know of, one in England and this one.
Really?
Yeah. Well, that's what my book said.
Well, that's good. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah, rare. I think rare is an understatement. She was telling me that this is a 34 Nash, but only 9 of them were made with the rumble seat, and she's got one of them, and apparently somebody in England's got the other one.
I know I asked her where the seat was for the drum.
Oh,
She goes, I don't know. Look at the temp.
so hop in it.
Made.
That's
cool to have
cool.
the seat for her.
This is what I dig. The side vents like here.
Yeah, that's neat.
I like it when cars have this type of feature on them. It sets them apart.
Yeah.
You know, just a nice cooling option. And we got the 66 Shelby Cobra.
Fiberglass.
Yeah, I think so. It is. Yeah, you see the under the hood is fiberglass. And here's a Roush supercharged Barrett Jackson. Nice solid yellow. I almost called it a lemon. I was calling it a yellow. Nice. How's it going?
Good. How you doing?
This your Roush?
Yes.
Your Barry Jackson?
Yeah. Yes. I finally got it out.
Yeah, finally. Thank you for bringing that out. I've been waiting all year.
13 ever made.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a rare car
Yeah,
for sure.
got to get them out, lube them up.
Well, of course, you know. I've been waiting for you to bring it over to my house, you know. I'm glad you brought it here. We can swap cars.
There you go. Yeah. No, it seems to be running pretty
miles
good.
are on your car, Wayne?
Fuel off.
How many miles
Yeah,
you
how
got?
many?
I think 2,600.
Yeah.
2,600. Well, we need to make it even 30. I'll do that for you.
I think, whatever.
How long have you had it?
I bought it brand new.
Oh.
I come out of Skillman in
Oh.
Indianapolis.
Uh-huh.
Really made the deal that would come straight from Roush to Laurel Ford.
Oh,
On
really?
the transport. That's the first one available to the public.
Oh, wow. So that is pretty unique.
Yeah, people just walk by; they don't know what it is.
Oh, I know Barry Jackson car when I see it. Uh-huh. Yeah.
Yeah, they did a good job on them.
Yeah, I thought my Shelby Hertz car was kind of rare, and then I seen this, and I'm like, nope, nope.
That was good.
Uh-huh. Need to see some road time. Yeah. Right. It's pretty. Yeah. You know, bugs. There's a white Shelby over there that the elder bugs are just all over it. You know? I don't know, something about bugs prefer Mustangs, I guess. You know.
Yeah. This is a cool car. Pop the trunk. What size motor is that, Wayne? 4.6. 4.6? Last year they made the 4.6. And all the boys signed the toolbox.
Oh, you did, no doubt.
Yeah. Spanky was
Yeah.
an auctioneer then. And I said, hey, I got my toolbox here. I got the number 3 Barrett car. Oh, shit. He says, yeah. He says, give me a little time. We'll come back and we'll sign it.
That's cool.
45 minutes later, nobody's showing up. And I'm going,
Right,
oh,
you're
yeah,
about ready to head out.
And
You
then
know.
they bolted on us. Shit, here they come down the skybox. They're having a meeting.
Uh,
Spanky and all the bidder assistants and
Yeah.
the bidder and sign right here. Sign this gentleman's toolbox.
Nice.
Shit, they all lined up. And,
Jeez.
yeah,
It's number 3 out of how many?
13.
13.
Yeah. You got the jacket to go with it. You know, gee
I
whiz.
did a wrestler
Did you?
special. A day wrestler. Yeah, I just threw that in there.
That's cool. That is cool. That's shiny. I like it. Yeah,
that's-
we'll talk swaps later on.
There you go.
know.
Yeah. Shit, now if I could get as much as they got for the number 1 car, I'd be really happy. I would sell it. 400,000 for that.
Yeah.
number
Oh,
one car.
really?
Really?
Yeah.
Well, yours is next in line for that price.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yours is next in line
Well,
for that price.
Well,
I'll give you 50 for it right
well,
now.
I suppose, yeah. Yeah, it was a charity car, so you could cut that in half and cut it at the end.
Right.
I figured right around.
Well,
100 a quarter.
Well, I'm a charity. You can give it to me.
Yeah, no, Michael Phelps is the one that he gave it to them.
Oh, did he?
Chris Connors had owned the car.
Uh-huh.
Well, he was CEO of Sherman Williams. He donated it to Michael Phelps
Oh, I see.
for the charity thing. That's
That's
He was a
cool.
Swimmer, wasn't he?
Yeah.
Olympic guy. Yeah, ended up.
Yeah. He was.
400K.
Yeah, Phelps was okay. He was all right. You know, I could do the same thing in the bathtub that he did
Shit, yeah. Without the drugs.
without the drugs, right?
Oh, yeah.
Look at this guy here. 58 Ford Custom. I walk over here to my buddy Shawn. He's got the coolest. You need a hand with that, Shawn? I'll grab the front. You want to grab the back? Where do you want to take it? Nice. All right. Just in front on the ground here.
Yeah, or do you want to put it up on the table, babe? I can make room if you want to put it on the table.
I think it'd be all right to be on the table that way. It's probably the coolest set of wheels here. They got that best Euro sign there, and the yeah.
Try not to get my fingerprints on it. That's
I think I have some Windex.
What is this
Yeah.
for?
Raffle prize.
Yeah.
Oh, raffle. Okay. I'm gonna wait to get my raffle ticket. I'm gonna grab a couple and throughout the time.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, how much are the raffle tickets?
Yeah.
It's gonna be $3 each or 5 tickets for 10.
Okay. Well,
Well,
take out everything.
Yes, we're
How
gonna
much is-
just start at the smaller price items and pull up to the top.
Are you selling them right now?
Yeah, yeah.
I'll take 3 or the one right now, 5
Okay.
for now, and then I'll get some more as it sits through.
that's pretty cool. You know, if they had a radio flyer like that when I was a kid,
Wow.
you know, I mean,
They
Yeah.
are $3 each or 5 for $10.
cool. This is probably one of my favorites here. Now this thing, he's telling me it's got an LT4 supercharged in there, and he's had it since he was a kid, and he's just been doing work to it over the year. Totally redid the interior with this nice, smooth, creamy butter. That's what I call it, a creamy peanut butter, and it is fantastic. Man, what a nice ride, but not as cool as this feller's car. You know, I mean, this one's going to take the show, folks. And, you know, pretty sexy car, kind of like the owner. So this is Meadowlark Brewery. Probably one of my favorite breweries to come to here in Billings, Montana. Obviously they got a good brew to go with it. One of my favorites brew is the Tuckus beer. It's a dark oatmeal stout beer. That's definitely one that fills you up. It's, you know, steak and dinner and dessert all in one. So today we had an overall registration of just over 80 cars, might be 82 registered cars. And I think it was a pretty good turnout for the first run. All right, guys, I just got back from the Billings Cars and Coffee car show at the Meadowlark Brewery. It was the first time the Meadowlark Brewery's ever hosted a car show. It was a great event. I got there a little bit early to help with the setup, as well as doing some traffic control, parking cars, and telling people, you know, where to go and where not to park, things like that. Overall, things went fairly well. All the proceeds from the car entries and donations and the raffle tickets went to Tumbleweed of Billings. It's a great program. So overall, we had a great time, a great day. Took lots of pictures. I was just on my feet from basically 9 o'clock in the morning till about 4:30, 5 o'clock in the afternoon. It was a great day. So, but on my way home, uh, got a phone call from somebody else who wants help setting up another car show. So hopefully we'll be doing that here in the near future before the snow flurries fly. And so I got home, and sure enough, I got some swag that showed up, some 406 Speedway polo shirts, some hats to go along with it. But most importantly, Scott's package showed up with his Tyco catalog. So we hopefully be doing a video of this, a mail call video here in the near future. But thanks for watching. I had a lot of fun. This car is a little dusty from the drive home, so we're going to go ahead and give it a quick wipe down and just put it away for a little while. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.